Good morning, children. Very good morning. We'll continue the same topics. Last class, I have dictated the notes for the agriculture. Last class, I have given dictated notes for the agriculture. 3 questions given. What is shifting cultivation and what are its disadvantages? Clear? We'll continue with the notes. This class, we'll continue the same topic. Right? What is shifting agriculture? What are its disadvantages? Shifting agriculture means shifting cultivation is a type of farming where agriculture activities are shifting the field from one field to another when the soil loses its fertility. So farmer, that land will be dismissed. This is what is shifting cultivation. Now when you come to the disadvantages, number 1, soil erosion. Some patches for cultivation. And next point is not sufficient for feeding large population. So these 3 can be considered the disadvantages of shifting cultivation. Clear? Next question is, yes. Write down please. Next question is, what is plantation agriculture? What is plantation agriculture? Next question is, what is plantation agriculture? What is plantation agriculture? Plantation agriculture. Write down answer please. What is plantation agriculture? What is plantation agriculture? Plantation agriculture is a type of farming. Write down children please. Plantation agriculture is a type of farming. Plantation agriculture is the type of farming. Right there. Number 1. It is a single crop farming. It is a single crop farming. Single type of farming. It is a single type of farming which resembles factory production. So plantation agriculture, it is a single type of farming which resembles factory production. Plantation agriculture is a single type of farming which resembles factory production. Number 2, large amount of labor. Second point, large amount of labor and capital is required. Large amount of labor and capital is required. So for plantation agriculture, more labor is required. At the same time, more capital is required. More capital means money. More money is required because always plantation agriculture will be done in the vast areas, large areas cultivated in the single type of cultivation by using the modern machines. So to purchase the new machines, so one should have more money. That's what we are telling here. So here more labor, large labor and more money is required. Large labor and more money is required. Third point. Example for the plantation crops are examples for the plantation crops are banana, rubber, tea, coffee, sugarcane are grown on plantation. So the best examples for plantation crops are banana, sugarcane, tea, coffee, and rubber are grown on plantation. Now these plantation crops, especially, they cultivate only to get more profit. Cultivated with the vast lands by using the modern technology, by spending the more money and by acquiring more labor. With the help of more labor and more money, they produce factory production and they get more profits. That is what is plantation agriculture. So plantation cultivation always requires more labor, more money, and it is a single type of farming. It will be done by using the modern technology and modern tools. So they get more profit. It is totally commercial based cropping system. It is totally commercially based farming. It is a type of commercial farming. Plantation agriculture is nothing but as commercial farming, commercial type of farming. Only for the sake of business. Only for the sake of business, we have been cultivating this crop. Clear? That is what is plantation agriculture. And here examples. Even we can give example. Okay. That is next question is name 2 fiber crops. Please write down. Name 2 fiber crops. Name 2 important fiber crops. Answer. The 2 important fiber crops are The two important fiber crops are cotton and jute. Cotton, jute, even silk, hemp. 4 you can give examples. Since they are asking 2 fiber crops, you can mention always cotton and jute. Are the fiber crops. Or if you want to write down silk and hemp also you can write. That is nothing wrong. So in our curriculum they have mentioned cotton and jute. Even silk and hemp also can be considered as a fiber crops. Instead of asking name 2 fiber crops, they ask you name 4 important fiber crops. You can write down cotton, jute, hemp and silk. Clear? These are the 4 important fiber crops. Right? Next question, write down. If you want, name the 2 fiber crops now. Write down. Climatic conditions required for cotton and jute. Keep reading. Climatic conditions required for climatic conditions require for cotton as well as jute. First you can keep reading cotton. What climatic conditions required for cultivation of cotton? What climatic conditions required for cultivation of cotton? First you write down. Climatic conditions needed for cotton. Keep reading. Climatic conditions required for cotton. Underline. Number 1. It requires high temperature. It requires high temperature. Number 2, little rainfall. Second point, write down little rainfall. Third point, grow well in black soil. 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 And fourth point is China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil are the leading producers of cotton. Leading producers of cotton in the world. Leading producing cotton in the world. China, USA, Brazil, India, Pakistan, and even Egypt. Leading producing centers of cotton. Leading producing countries of cotton in the world is China, USA, India, Pakistan, Brazil, and Egypt. Clear? Next. Climatic conditions need for jute. Keep reading. Climatic conditions need for jute. Number 1, high temperature required. High temperature is required. Number 2, heavy rainfall. Jute also requires high temperature required and heavy rainfall is required. Third one is grow well in alluvial soil. Grow well in alluvial and black soil. Grow well in alluvial and black soil. And leading producing of jute in the world are India and Bangladesh. Leading producers of jute in the world are India and Bangladesh. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute in the world. Clear? These are the 5 questions from the topic agriculture. I think last time also for periodic test I have given just revised, but I have given the notes, right? So therefore, this you can make a notes in the topic agriculture is. These 5 questions you can make a note in agriculture. What is agriculture? Name the factors influence on agriculture, and what is plantation agriculture, and what is shifting cultivation, and what are its disadvantages. Fifth question is name the fiber crops. Name the fiber crops and its climatic conditions. Fiber crops, cotton and jute. At the same time, what climatic conditions? What geographical factors needed for cultivation of cotton as well as jute? Of course, both can be considered as a fiber crops, cotton as well as jute. These both the crops requires heavy temperature. Cotton requires little rainfall, whereas jute requires heavy rainfall. Cotton grows in black soil, whereas jute grows alluvial and black soil. Cotton leading producers of world is China, USA, Brazil, India, Pakistan, Egypt. When you take about jute, India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute of the world. India and Bangladesh are the leading producers of jute in the world. Clear? So these are the questions which please write down the homework book. Then after once we come back, then we'll check all these notebooks. Clear? Thank you.